one of the girls sitting outside of her life where nothing is ever put straight. Found and she smiles and she says, "This is it, that's the end of the joke." Isn't she easy? She's gone, clonk clonk, pretty and pink. Isn't she pretty and pink? Isn't she? Pretty and pink. Wanna admit, she's a thirst in the line is the last to remember her name.